Welcome to another episode of Animal Tamers. We are here with my pet chicken. It is a orange buff hen. This is called a crest. When it gets bright red, that's when you know that they'll start laying. This is the beak, eyes, wings, and then we have the feet. Has four little toes with a claw on each toe. That is like this is their breast, and it's an orange buff hen. So she does lay eggs, and she's very calm. We have a bunch of chickens, but this is the only one that will let me hold her. We're gonna work on some guineas, and there they go. Guineas are a type of bird. They can fly. Unlike a chicken, they are not flightless. They can actually fly, and most people would consider them like a chicken because they also lay eggs that are edible that people eat. They are very noisy. People can have them as pets. These are my grandfather's. Some people consider them alarms. So if a stranger or something comes by your house, they might start squawking and squealing to let you know because they see somebody or something that they don't recognize. Only the females lay eggs, like in most animals. You can see that obviously either them or the chickens have been laying here because they have them bedded down. They do not have a crest like a chicken, but they do have sort of like gobbles that expand when they're ready to mate. And they're a lot like a chicken. And looky what I found here. It's actually might be one of their eggs. Those are guineas. And if I'm right, if this is an egg, let's go compare a guinea egg to a chicken egg. A guinea egg is probably about 2 times smaller than a chicken egg. They taste about the same from what I've tasted. Chicken eggs are more common. Some older restaurants sell guinea eggs. Chickens are more common, so that's why I have more chicken eggs than guinea eggs. They're laid about the same way. So that's comparing them. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Adios.